Hello kids, I am your teacher Nishanti from Badasna Matriculation High Secondary School. Today ma'am is going to teach an important topic for you dear. Do you know what is that topic? Let's see. What is the topic children? Yes, moving air. Children, tell me what is the importance of air? Air oda முக்கியத்துவம் என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க. Do you know children? Yes, it helps us breathe. Air is essential for all living things on earth. Children, we cannot see the air but we can feel. Let's move into the topic children. What is wind children? Yes, the air moves is called wind. Moving air is called wind children. See here how the plants move children. Yes, because of the air moves. That's only the plants moves children. See here how it flies. It's very nice, right? Let's see the wind properties. We have three properties of wind. What is the first property children? Wind has direction. What is the spelling of wind children? W-I-N-D, wind. What is the spelling of direction? D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Wind has direction. This is the first property children. Let's see what is the second property. Wind has speed. What is the spelling of speed, my dears? Yes, P-E-E-D, speed. Wind has speed. Let's see what is the third property. Wind has force. What is the spelling of force children? F-O-R-C-E, force. What are the three properties of wind children? Wind has direction, wind has speed, wind has force. Let's see detail children. What is the first property? What ma'am told to you children? Yes, wind has direction. Wind has direction. Wind always moves in one direction at a particular time. For example, you can see when your mother hung the clothes for dry. You can see where it is. Wind always moves in one direction. When the air moves in one direction, the clothes also move that side only. What is the second property? Wind has speed. Wind has speed. Wind has, what is the property? Yes, wind has speed. It differs from different places. The speed differs in different places. Breeze. What is mean by breeze children? Breeze na edama kaatadikirathu appdin solluvaanga. Yes, wind blowing in gentle speed, otherwise medium speed. See here how these flowers are moves because the air moves in gentle speed. It's called breeze. What is the spelling of breeze children? B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Let's see next one. Storm. What is mean by storm dear? Yes, the air moves in high speed, that is called storm. See, at times wind accompanied by thunder, lightning as well as rain. Wind blowing at a high speed is called storm. What is the spelling of storm children? Yes, T-O-R-M, storm. Let's see what is next. What ma'am told you, what is the third property? Yes, wind has force. Wind has force. Wind moves in same direction, the things moves easily. but it is in opposite direction. The things moves, it's slow down children. Let's see what is the uses of wind. What is this children? What is this? Windmill. What is the spelling of windmill children? Do you know what is the spelling of windmill? W-I-N-D, wind, M-I-L-L, windmill. By use of the windmill, we can produce the electricity by air. The air helps us to fly the kite, as well as it helps to move the clouds children. Apart from this, you have to write any two uses of wind. You have to write any two uses of wind. Okay children, in description we have attached self-assessment, subject material and question bank. Please go through it for further clarification dear. Thank you children.